Hello people. Welcome to Apple Guruji YouTube channel. This video show how to permanently bypass iCloud lock or activation lock on an iPhone 6s. Follow me on Instagram at Apple Guruji. Watch the video completely until the end without skipping any steps. I will be using Check Rain application for the first step. Click on the Start option and click Next. The phone enters recovery mode. Now, click Start and follow the on-screen instructions to place the phone in DFU mode. Once the phone enters DFU mode, the process starts. Wait for the phone to turn on. Once it says done, close the Check Rain application. Open a terminal window and copy the first command while your phone is still connected to the Mac. Once the installation is successful, close the terminal and open a new terminal. Copy the next command. After entering the iProxy command, open a new terminal window and copy the next command as shown in the video. If you get host key verification failed error, type openspace.ssh and click enter. Delete the known host file in the open window. Now continue with the process. Copy all the other commands step by step as shown in the video. Once the kill all command is entered, the phone resprings. The phone is now iCloud free. It's a permanent bypass. You can use all the applications without any problems. The network services won't work in this method. However, you can turn off the phone and turn it back on without worrying about the lock coming back, as this is a permanent bypass. Click on the thumbs up button if you like this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon if you want latest updates. Follow me on Instagram at AppleGuruji. Ask all your doubts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. Have a very good day.